If you think you are judged or people are attaching labels to you, then you have to listen to this story. As a prank, a classmate stuck a paper on a student's back that said, "I am stupid," and he asked the rest of the class not to tell the boy. Shortly afterwards, mathematics class started and the teacher wrote a question on the board. The question was so difficult that no one was able to answer it except that boy with the sticker. When people were laughing, all his classmates around him were laughing, looking at the sticker that he had on his back. The boy walked towards the board and solved it. The teacher asked the class to clap for him and removed the paper that was stuck on his back. He told him, "You don't know that there is a paper on your back that one of your classmates has put up and the rest of them kept it as a secret." Then the teacher faced towards the rest of the class and said, "Let me tell you some points here. Number one, throughout your life, people will put labels on your back with many bad things written on it, either out of ignorance or with the evil intention of stopping your progress. If the boy had known about the paper and what was written on that, maybe he would not have gotten up to answer the question. Accepting that he is stupid, maybe he would not have gotten up to answer the question, or at least he would have felt very bad and would not have attempted even to answer the question. There is a possibility for either of these things. Therefore, ignore the labels people give you and use every chance, every opportunity you have to learn and improve yourself on a continuous basis. Secondly, my dear students, it is clear that he does not have any loyal friends in the class to tell him about the paper and remove it. Hence, it does not matter how many friends you have. It is the loyalty between you and your friends that matters. So if you don't have good friends who can defend you behind your back, protect you, and are genuinely caring, it would be better to be alone than crave for the friendship of the bad people. Finally, remember, the wrong labels may cause a lifetime's worth of damage at times to the person. So, don't place tags or wrong labels on people that will destroy them and will not benefit you really in any way. Thank you so much for listening.